going out today also, no? Yeah? Let's go out. No, Esther? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes.
And have a dinosaur.
Yeah,
Roar.
that's it. Here we are, and these are the corn plants. Look at this. Wow, so many corn is coming out. They are keeping this corn for the animals, for cows, for horses. Look at this, full of corn. And here is the huge sunflower. Look at this sunflower in the blue sky. Wow. The bee is also there. So nice. Look at this. Oh, apple tree is also there. And these are all asparagus. See, asparagus, if they are matured, it looks like this. And there is Esther and Papa. Ah, these are the gardens, guys. Oh, see, zucchini, pumpkins. Wow, 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 wow. This is like a farm. Look at this. So pretty. Oh, I like to live here. I like this type of places. See? Look at the grapes. These are grapes. See? Wow. Grapes. These are all bio. Here, no, they don't call organic, they call bio. So these are bio vegetables. So roses here. I see the horses. Those are the cow. Can we buy cow milk or not from here? Yeah, because bottles are also there, yeah?
Yeah, you can ask.
Ah, let's buy fresh milk, ne? Or?
Yeah.
See, these are the cows. See, very, very healthy they are. And they all have numbers in their ears. Wow. Very healthy cows, yeah? Wow, 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 wow. See, these are for milk though. Wow. And very nicely they keep, yeah, very clean. Oh, these are the ox, the bull. These are males, ox. These are cows, and those are, I think, the kids. Wow. Such a beautiful place. Oh, wow, really, yeah. Look at these grapes. Ooh.
So there was pumpkin and all.
I know, I saw, wow, grapes in this roof. Hayo, 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 hayo. Wow, in this place there are grapes all over it, guys. Can't believe it, how they can keep like this also, hey. Oh my goodness. See, these are all grapes. They make wine, na? Wine, no? Look at this. Wow. Feel like plucking and eating, yeah? Ooh. Here, if I scan this QR code, I can see the place here. Let me check, okay? I'll show you guys. And here is a maze inside. Maze is like a way also, no?
Yeah, like you have to find a way out again.
Or find a way out. So we are walking here, and on both sides there are corns. So yeah, we've watched the movie also about Maze Runner or something, huh? Yeah. So now we are going inside, okay, guys. So nicely they kept too, but these are kopi hanyendo coming out. I want to take, but we are not allowed to take. These are wraps. See, full of vegetables there. Really, we are not allowed to pluck, na? Ash, for boiled curry, yeah. Lots are coming, but yeah, whatever is not ours is not ours. We are not allowed. So Esther will lead us where to go. See, this side also there is a way. This side also there is a way. Look at this, guys. I really want to take by looking at it. Hey, kopi hanyen lak na chianga lo he. I have a pie yo mo. Akingala. I want to have this. Kopi pata boil kuri na khabo karne. Aya, smell bi man bhal, fresh he. Ay, sabi na man musto ulai ase. Aya, kini bule dile bi kini bo moi to, lebi allowed nai to. Takhan na dibo to. They will not even sell. Not allowed. Otherwise, I want to take this one. Where is Esther, Papa, and she went? So nice. Full of corn. Hey. Very healthy corn also. Oh, papa. Hey. Yo. See, it's so big na. Look at this. Wow, big cornfield. Where are you guys? Keep on singing so that I'll find you guys. Esther, keep on singing. I'll listen to your voice and come. La! I'm not in the right way. Wait, how to come there? No, don't come. Lo, I'm lost now. How?
Where are you?
I'm just here.
Wait, I'll come.
Ah, yeah, really, this is like the Maze Runner movie, yeah? My goodness. Like, we can hear each other, but we cannot come to each other.
Wait. Hello.
Hello. Oh.
Wait, they're coming.
Which way you guys went?
Mama, keine Angst.
Oh, I'm stuck here, Esther. Please help me.
Mama, get in.
I'm stuck in the maze.
You went inside or where?
Okay, here. I can see you guys. Here, look here. Here.
Ah, da.
But from here I cannot come.
Mama.
From there I cannot come to. Wow, very interesting, yeah.
Will die Mama retten?
Wow, very big one. This maze is also really. And the corns are so healthy, guys. Look at this. Full. Hey, these are for animals, for the cows. I'm stuck in the maze. La! Again, I got stuck here now. I'm trying to come out and it's like, I don't know. Aya! Esther? Esther, where are you guys?
Here.
See, it stopped here now. Ayale. I have to go back to come out, na? And this is called wild spinach. This also lots are there in Germany. Oh. Aya, so nice, eh? Kabulemon. This is also eatable, right, guys? There are so many leaves here that I know it's eatable. Ah, you guys found me. Actually, na, my darling, I check in internet. This is not wild, okay? This is called wild spinach.
Okay.
Yeah. Last time I pluck and I throw it away, na, because of not sure. Ah, really interesting. That means in a maze, na, we have to go back from where we came out.
Ja.
Oh,
Oh, bist du runter, Esther?
okay.
Bist du laut?
Yeah, really. I will get lost here though if I come alone, I know. Such a big one.
Ja.
And here is a donkey. This is a farm which allow people to come and have picnic here, and they don't charge anything also. That is so nice. Such a beautiful place, and allowing people to come and walk around. That's so nice, because how much, time, energy and money it will be taking for them to maintain this big farm, no? This is the box for storing water, and there also more donkeys are there. The donkeys. Hello, donkeys. Those are the babies, I think. There, Papa and Esther. Such a beautiful place. Yeah, nice. And full of apple trees. The donkeys are eating the apples or what? Like this, no? The area looks so beautiful. Look at this. Nice. And these are the food kept for the cows. Look at this. They keep like this. These are the food. Here. This one. Very, very big one. Ooh. These are kept for animals. There is Esther. Esther, you're driving a tractor? Yeah, drive, drive. Wow, so many vehicles are there, yeah, Esther? This is a farmhouse. Now Esther and Papa, they're gonna drive. Wow. Go, Esther, go. She wants another one.
Komm her, Esther, komm, wir fahren zusammen.
Now you show driving, then she will come, I
Esther,
think.
komm.
Go and sit with Papa, Esther.
Komm mal her. Setz mal hier hin, wir fahren zusammen.
So nice.
Okay? Komm.
I don't know how to drive. I know. I know how to go backwards, Esther.
There she goes.
Bye. Say bye, Papa. No. It's fun. Wait, Esther is falling down. Wait, Esther, wait. How Papa kept you?
Like standing like this.
We are done here. Now we will go out from here. Now, Esther, did you enjoy it, Esther?
Yes.
Yeah, Esther enjoyed a lot. So nice. Yeah. Wow. And that man is making the food for the cows. So interesting how he was mixing. He mixed this and that, salt and some grasses and some corn. Interesting. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this farm video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next vlog. Esther, you want to say bye bye? Bye bye. Bye bye.